Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, my voice has cleared up. These big brother people, they want to stress me. Anyways, tonight we're expecting a tough watch, emotions, the jury, and evictions, and a whole lot of crazy that's going to happen. I'm expecting so much, and I hope you are too. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to let you in on the reaction of a lot of people, of Nigerians, to Seyi'S comments and all the things he has been, going on in the house. I'm going to let you in on also the conversation between Venita and Mesieke, and a whole lot more. So of course, if you are new or you're old, please watch these videos till the end, because you get the full lowdown and everything I'm going to talk to you about in this particular video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber or you're old but you've not subscribed, make sure you do. Share comments down below and share comments. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course it helps my channel grow. So it might be something little to you, but it means a lot. So I'm not just going to waste your time. We're going to get right into every crazy thing that has happened this weekend and our expectations and the reactions of people from home. So let's get right into it. By now, I believe every one of us are now used to the fact that every week we're going to be having a new set of jury members, 3 people. The first, we had 2 girls, 1 boy. The second, we had 2 boys. Okay, the first we had 2 girls, 1 boy. The second, we had 2 boys, 1 girl. And of course, from the first eviction, we had Mike, Dorothy, and Bisola. Now, amongst these 3, we noticed that Dorothy and Mike were the ones who voted to save Seyi, and this we knew from the reactions of yesterday and everything that has happened down to today. So I don't need to start going right back into everything that happened last night, right? But Seyi's specific statement was that he was going to slap Ilebaye until her eardrums burst. He was going to be the Saddam Hussein of the season from next week if he gets saved. And then he was going to let his sons, he's going to raise only boys so they could go around sleeping with people's daughters and, having the fun of a lifetime. Now, this got a lot of reactions, and I'm going to get right into everything that was said. Now, after watching everything that happened last night, we saw that a video of Seyi saying all the vile things he said about Ilebaye doing and a whole lot of things was posted on Twitter, and Mike Edwards, one of the guys who voted for Seyi to stay in the house, who actually went onto his Instagram page and Twitter to post picture of the fact that, Seyi saved him at a point in his life when he was stranded. He came to Nigeria, didn't have money to book a hotel and everything, and Seyi gave him his place to stay and still gave him cash. And then he reacted saying, "I don't condone this behavior." Dorothy Bako also responded saying, "Shut up your dirty, stinking mouth." Now, this was in reference to Seyi, right? And then somebody commented saying, "Wish you evicted the grandson. All this wouldn't have happened, or all this wouldn't be happening." And then, of course, Dorothy responded that same. She really wished that she did that. More people reacted, like somebody who is called Kofo, said, "If you had money for hotel that night for your accommodation, we won't be here." Tacha had to drag him, say you should shut the fuck up and stuff or get out of here. And then she added that, "Now hotel bill put us for this wahala." Oh. And I knew she was being savage. And of course, she did what she was supposed to do. Also, the fact that he mentioned a whole lot of things, people started writing him verbatim, like they were quoting exactly what he said. They were posting it on Twitter, and I'm just going to read through so you get a full scope of how crazy this is. Somebody said, Seyi said, "I'm giving birth to boys so they will run trains on people's daughters." Another person said, I wonder how Venita, who has 2 daughters, will feel hearing what Seyi has said. This is the man she cuddles so much. Now imagine her daughter in the same space with her sons, and they cannot depend on these boys to save them or stuff. In reference to Seyi saying I was going to slap Ilebaye and her eardrums would get bursted, somebody reacted that, "Imagine your child being slapped for no tangible reason and you're still claiming that you're a Christian." Another person added that Seyi saying he's going to allow his boys run train is so disgusting. You're thinking about the future of your sons. It's how they will do nonsense is only the reason or the thing you're seeing. Now, the the Association for Domestic Violence and Sexual Violence in Lagos have reacted to everything Seyi said, and this is all they had to say. Now, according to them, they said, "We strongly condemn the comments made by Seyi Awolowo in the disturbing video that has now surfaced. Such remarks perpetrate harmful attitude and contribute to a culture of violence and abuse. The bystanders' passive response in the video is also deeply concerning because it is only enabling such behaviors to persist. It is important for us all to actively speak up in circumstances such as this. We remain committed to addressing issues of domestic violence and sexual violence. Now call this number, blah, blah, blah. Together we can work together, creating a society that truly values consent and it is free of violence." Like, I cannot begin to state how much this is important. She has disgraced people. I remember, I want to give kudos to one of my channel viewers who commented that he has disgraced the Yoruba nation and fatherhood and culture, that he's disgusting, because it is unbelievable that a father would say and push for this kind of things to happen. To see that even young ladies are being threatened, they feel threatened, their lives feel threatened, all because of your attitude and the things you push somebody else to actually do on a show as this. It is crazy. On the flip side, the housemates had a very good time getting their hair done by Lush in the hairdressing studio and everything. They got haircuts and stuff. We saw where Frodd and Cross were having a back-to-back and back and forth conversation as to why Cross deserved more points equal to that of Frodd or more. And well, aside that, we noticed that Frodd left that place to go and have a conversation with Alex in the lounge, and Alex kept lamenting how she's disappointed, she's distraught, she's surprised that this house could get this chaotic to this extent, that she really, really, really wishes that she could go, but of course she has to fight and stay in the competition till the end. She went on to add that she had even forgotten that she has issues with CeeC. That's how bad the chaos that has been perpetrated in the house has gotten to. We now saw where Mercier was having a conversation with Venita in the pink room, and she was lamenting how a Big Brother was unfair by locking them in the Big Brother's house. They couldn't go to the party and have fun, that it was not their fault. Now they were getting prepared for this and that. And here was Venita saying that, in fact, she knows what she has contributed in this house. She's not going to apologize for anything. That's her stance right now. I'm like, these housemates are really stubborn, and they really want to change the narrative of what Big Brother really is, and at the end they would have to pay in a very bitter way. Now, of course, guys, if you're new to my channel, like I said, watch these videos. We're expecting a whole lot of crazy things to happen in Big Brother's eviction today, so stick around because I'll be bringing it as it is hot, as fast as possible, so you get the updates here as one of the best places you can. So of course, I'll see you on the next one.